Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, and for those of you who are new, welcome. Y'all, I don't know what to call this. My Boxycharm arrived, but it's not Boxycharm because it's not Boxycharm anymore. Even though they say it's Boxycharm, it's clearly not Boxycharm. So this Ipsy box is my Boxycharm base box. Apparently, y'all, Boxycharm's gone. I don't care what Ipsy says. It's gone. It's gone. So, here we go. Let's see what I got for April 2023. Look, you can discover yourself. Oh, look. Now they admit it's Boxycharm. It's Boxycharm by Ipsy, but yet it's actually just Boxycharm. We'll get to that in a minute. That's the weirdest thing I've seen. Okay, well, let's just get into the newspaper. Boxycharm by Ipsy, April 2023. Same great subscription you know and love. And now, with more perks than ever. Gorgeous together. Okay, so this little rainbowish styled figure, I'll show you about that in a second. It says together, get together, together gorgeous, Ipsy and Boxycharm. Yeah, you guys, I'm not. Okay. Here we go. Epic deals. Get 24/7 insider access to the Ipsy shop, which has juicy weekly drops and can't miss sales events. That's daily. Monthly shop member exclusive deals on all your fave brands starting at $5 during flash sales, and choose up to 10 add-ons starting at just $3.50 from the 2nd to the 3rd during Build Your Box. You get 2 whole days. Quarterly is the Mega Drop Shop. Is our biggest sale on hundreds of the hottest makeup, hair, skin, and wellness products at up to 80% off. Okay. Personalized picks. Meet Ipsy Match, our proprietary technology that evaluates more than 500 pieces of data, including your beauty quiz, order history, and reviews to match you with the best products of every single month. If I look a little annoyed, you guys, I left Ipsy for a reason, and I don't have good thoughts as to how this is going to go, but, you know, I'm just going to continue and see if they make a total mess out of it or if it's good. It says you choose 3, more choice than ever. Every month during Build Your Box from the 2nd to 3rd, you'll discover 2 power picks that Ipsy, or Boxy, selects for you. Then you get to choose the remaining 3 of your 5 full-size products to complete your box. This way you'll know exactly what you're getting each month before it even arrives. Yeah, all right, well, let's see. Bigger, better brands, or better, bigger brands for all power picks. We are hooking you up with superstar products from beauty's most wanted brands, handpicked by our team of curators. These power picks, like the lineup you see here, and will make your entire monthly subscription worth every penny. And we're picking 2 of them for you each month based on your beauty quiz results. So they're showing JLo Beauty, Glow Recipe, Herbivore, Keys. What is this? Something, I don't know. Anyway, they have a little calendar at the bottom. Tells you all about the month of April, even though it's, you know, already the middle of April. So April 10th is the Mega Drop Shop opening, you guys. It's already open. April 17th is the Mother's Day sale. April 24th is a flash sale. May 1st is the May theme reveal. And then May 2nd through 3rd is when you get to customize and build your box. Okay, that's not all. More exciting news. Chief makeup artist Ash K. Holm, most in-demand makeup artist, now is at your service. Our chief Mua is an in-house beauty expert who will create looks, answer your most pressing questions, and share top secret tips, techniques, and trends. Get ready to master your makeup like you never have before. It's the end of the day, and my makeup is like a hot mess, but hey, that's okay. And then introducing Icon Box by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Curated exclusively for you by the industry icon. This quarterly upgrade of 8 full-size, uber-coveted products is the coolest way to level up your subscription. So, what was that before? You know, I mean, it was called Boxy Luxe, and now it's something else. Let's just get into this. So, you guys remember this little rainbowy looking thing? So, look at all these. All these rainbowy... I don't know what these are supposed to be. They're weird. Like, it's packing material, but it's these like rainbow shaped thing. I've never seen packing material like this. And you guys, like, it's not really packing material. I mean, let's be honest. How much padding is that doing in this box? Very strange. Very, very, very strange. Okay, here's one of my picks, guys. This is Mud Masky. I've gotten this before, and honestly, guys, I hated all the picks. I think I was like whining and crying about it a little bit, but not real thrilled. But, you know, Mud Masky's nice. This is a vitamin-infused eye serum. Moisture boost, vitamin boost, feeding, nourishing, firming, 30 milliliters or 1 ounce. So that was a pick. This was a pick, I believe. Dr. Brandt Mineral Mask. Also an ounce. Each of these are 1 whole ounce. You seeing why I'm annoyed, you guys? Like, skincare. Loads of skincare. And then we have, oh, what's this? Yeah. This is Ciate London's Smiley Lip Mask. It is a 2-in-1 everyday balm and mask. It is 9 grams or 0.31 ounces. We're going to open that and see if this is even worth calling makeup or if it's really just skincare for your lips. Because I'm having my doubts. But hey, we're going to think positive, right? I mean, because it's got a little smiley face on it, right? Think it's colored? It's banana colored. I don't even smell any, you know, there's no fragrance. So I'm calling that skincare for the lips. It's not makeup. Okay, then we have, I believe I picked this. This is Purelisse Yuza and Orange Exfoliator. More skincare, but I like Purelisse. Resurfaces, boosts collagen, brightens all skin types, 1.7 ounces or 50 milliliters. I like Purelisse. Let's see what it looks like. Typical Purelisse. Looks like Purelisse. So, we're batting 4 out of 5 so far on the skincare because it's Ipsy, not Boxy. Here's our one piece of actual makeup. Milk Makeup Mascara. And I picked because the other picks were skincare or something more. I don't remember. I wasn't real thrilled with my choices. All right, so let's see what they have to say about this. Yeah, it's mascara. That's nice. Curved lash brush fits the natural curve of the eyelashes to lift from the root. I mean, I'm not at all happy with this first Ipsy box. See, whatever. I knew this was going to be what it was going to be. Turns right back into Ipsy. Okay, this feels weird. This feels weird. It's a weird texture, and it feels kind of gooey, and oh, it's weird. It's weird. I'm just going to say it's weird. It's weird. I don't know how to describe it. It's like rubbery, sort of. I'm not even going to open it. The minute you open it, you start the whole drying out process. I have more mascara than I know what to do with it. Some of it I'm trying and using, and some of it I ended up putting in giveaways, and it's in the giveaway pile because I just can't. I feel bad throwing stuff out, but I did throw out one of the mascaras I got in a Walmart box because it was awful. You guys will see it in my empties at the end of the month. But so this is the token piece of makeup, black mascara. It's called Elevate is the shade. It is vegan, so that's really nice. Okay, so that's what I got. I got mascara. I got a lip balm, which is, let's see what's in this. It says it's a refreshing lemon scent. I didn't smell any lemon, but that would be why it was yellow. Non-tacky texture. It's probably got like petroleum in it. I can't even read it. The text is so tiny. I mean, I can read it. I just don't want to. We got Dr. Brandt, which is overpriced skincare. We got Mud Masky, which is nice, but also overpriced skincare. I have this somewhere in a drawer already. And then this is my favorite of the whole thing. I do love Purelisse. So, and they did have some available in add-ons, but you guys, I don't need more skincare. Like, I have a ton of skincare already. Like, I still have oodles of skincare. So, you know, did I need this? No, but I pure lease, I'll take it. So I don't understand what this is. I don't. This is not packing material. Like, I don't. Thank you for your trash, Ipsy. It looks to me like they put their trash through some sort of strange shredding bin and are faking, this is all of it, that is some sort of packing material. There's no, I guess long gone are the days where you know the prices. And I guess their concept is that you see it all when you're doing your, you know, your choices, and you already see the MSRP. So, you know, I didn't write that down 2 weeks ago, or I guess it had been about 10 days ago, but I don't know. I will stay optimistic. I will stay with this a little longer, but not excited about this. I left Ipsy for the reason that it was just nonstop skincare. So, no, I'm not real excited about it, as you can tell, you guys. And I know a couple of you had messaged me and stuff and said you were not thrilled with it either, but we'll see how the drop shop and the shopping and all that goes. I mean, I did look briefly through it, and it was just a bunch of stuff I didn't need. So, that's why I had maintained, Boxy I had maintained because of the drop shop. I periodically got some stuff in there, but they also were sending me makeup. And now this is just skincare. So, sorry to be such a negative Nelly. I really am sorry, but I'm not excited about this. And, yeah. But I still have my ice cream beauty. That's all I'm going to go with. If you haven't seen that video, you guys, I just released that. Check it out on my channel. I will try to leave a link up in the cards here. That's always got really, you know, it's always full of makeup. I do like that one. This, you know what? I mean, if you're looking to get oodles and oodles of skincare every month, great. I'm not. Not that I need a ton of makeup either, so I guess I'm whining a little bit, but let me know your thoughts down below, you guys. I'd love to hear it. I mean, because this is like the first month of the whole change. So, all right, y'all, I will stop whining. I will let you go. I appreciate your time so much. Have a, you know, a great week, you guys. Like I said, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of this whole Ipsy Boxy thing, especially now that we're in our first month. I'd love to hear it. So I will see you all on my next video. Bye, everybody.